Welcome to a world where cooking intersects with machine learning. Imagine preparing your favorite recipe. The ingredients are your data, the cooking instructions are your algorithm, and the subtle decisions you make, such as how long to marinate the chicken or how much spice to add, those are your hyperparameters. The success of your dish, much like a machine learning model, heavily relies on these hyperparameters. This is the art and science of hyperparameter tuning. In the realm of machine learning, hyperparameters are crucial. They are the decisions that guide the algorithm in its learning process. Think of it as deciding whether to slow cook your stew for 3 hours or rush it in 1. These decisions can significantly impact the taste of your stew, just as hyperparameters can dramatically affect the performance of a machine learning model. Hyperparameter tuning is the process of finding the optimal mix of these decisions to ensure the best performing model. Now, how does one find the perfect set of hyperparameters? There are a few techniques, much like there are different cooking methods. First, there's grid search. This is like methodically trying different combinations of ingredients. Picture testing your cookie recipe by baking batches with varying amounts of sugar and different cooking times. It's thorough, but it can be time-consuming. Just like a grid search can be computationally expensive. Then there's random search. This is akin to throwing a dash of this and a pinch of that into your pot and seeing what happens. It's less structured, but sometimes it can lead to surprisingly good results. In the machine learning context, a random search involves randomly selecting combinations of hyperparameters to test. Lastly, there's Bayesian optimization. It's like a seasoned chef who uses their experience to make informed decisions. If they know a certain blend of spices works well, they'll try variations around that blend. Similarly, Bayesian optimization uses information from past evaluations to make smarter choices about which hyperparameters to try next. In conclusion, hyperparameter tuning is like finding the secret recipe for your machine learning model. It's about experimenting, learning from those experiments, and refining your recipe until you find the perfect mix. Whether it's deciding how much sugar to add to your cookies or choosing the right learning rate for your model, these decisions matter. They make your cookies taste amazing and your models perform at their best. So remember, in machine learning, as in cooking, it's all about the right mix.